Have you ever such questions come to your mind, like you are spiritually awakened, or you are an old soul, or you are already an enlightenment soul? If such questions are coming into your mind, then you are on the right place. So this video is going to reveal you 9 signs that is actually going to help you to understand whether you are an enlightenment soul, or you are already awakened from spiritually, or you are on the mid of the spiritual awakening. What are the things you need to do? Namo Himalaya, Priya here, your manifestation and mindset transformation coach. So today in this video, as I already promised you, I'm going to break down 9 signs that going to give you the exact things that you are looking for if you are on a spiritual awakening journey, or if you are feeling like you have gone through such a breakthrough and you are actually overcoming it, which stage you are in. And also it is for those people who are feeling like they are already an enlightenment soul, but these are the signs I'm going to break down, and you just choose which part of the sign actually resonating with you. And also make sure that you're watching the whole video until the end, because the 3rd, 5th and 9th sign are my favorite one, also most important one. Also you can see actually how much insightfulness is already in the spiritual awakening journey, and I'm sure that if you are on spiritual awakening journey or you are an enlightenment soul, then you can actually resonate those signs. So before going into the 9 signs, the question is, what does it feel like spiritually awakened, or you are an enlightenment soul? So the first sign you can say yourself that you are already spiritual awakened is you will no longer seek anyone's presence in your life. Now you're probably thinking, what does that mean? That means some of you might have already dependency, the tendency of feeling someone's presence in your life. Like example, in my life journey, if I see myself 5 years before, I was seeking more people's presence in my life. I was always thinking someone has to be present in my life. I was very, very dependent on physical level, mental level, or if I had to take any decision, then I was seeking someone's presence in my life. So in that case, I'm saying that it is a dependency or codependency. So if such kind of as you have already overcome and now you are feeling like you don't need anyone's presence in your life, then you are already awakened. So the second sign is you will be more creative. Now you probably would be thinking that what is creativeness? Creativeness is all about you will be more looking like for some new hobbies like cooking, painting, and writing a story, or writing books, or speaking, or some people are actually entering into entrepreneurship world, who were actually one time few years before or some months before they were into an employee. Some people actually leave job, they start doing something new in their life, what they are passionate about. So in my case, I was very much into my construction business, but right now I am more into like painting, cooking, cake designing, and also writing and speaking out. I'm looking for more inside like a speaking journey. So if you are such kind of creativeness, then you are already awakened. Third thing is the more important, and you can also see yourself more focused in your life. Like few years before or before spiritually awakened, I can say the person is going through a depression or a very dark phase in life, where the person found itself worried, anxiety, panic attack, depressed, and some people are also going through sickness. So why it is happening? Because some habit of that person is actually not resonating the soul, it's not nourishing the person. So what happens, the person has to go through a big breakthrough, which is also called spiritually awakened. Also you can say like it's like awakening time. So what happens after spiritually awakened, the person actually no longer desire to be outside world. The person is more focused, like you everything you work, maybe it is painting or you are writing or you actually do something you are passionate about, and you feel like you are so much focused, you are actually lost means you are actually lost in doing your own loving thing. So if such kind of things are happening in your life, then you can also you say like you are already spiritually awakened or you are an enlightenment soul. Fourth sign is about qualitative people. So you will find all of sudden like your life is filled with qualitative people than quantitative people. Means you can see your past version of yourself had many people in your life, but all of sudden now the person or the people around you or surrounded by you is very less but very qualitative in the sense they are very positive mindset. They are actually always thinking about how to grow their life, how to grow everyone, like they have a purpose in their life, and you will see like it is safe to be with this kind of people. So that's what I just say name, like they are qualitative people. Like some people are being so much inspired, though some people are looking for inspiration, or some people are actually inspiring. So I find always myself to be surrounded with such people who can actually motivate my soul or motivate my things what I am exactly doing. Some people are also like my past version. If I see, if I had some ideas, if I was sharing, then some people were saying, hey, you cannot do it, it is very difficult. So such kind of people are not there in my life right now. It is completely changed. If you are finding like such qualitative people are right now in your life and very less, then you are also you can say yourself like you are already awakened or you are an enlightenment soul. So fifth sign is my favorite one as well. All of a sudden you feel like you love to go to nature. So you feel like nature is within you. You feel like the oneness with nature. If such kind of signs you are feeling, then also you are already a spiritually awakened person or enlightenment person. Sixth sign is all about observing other people's energy. Like all of a sudden, if you are feeling like by talking to a new person or meeting some new person, you start feeling like what is their intention. You start feeling like what they are thinking about you. If you are actually observing their energy, and it is very easily. It's very easy to take any decision if you are looking for someone's into your business, if you are going to continue the deal or not. If such kind of things are happening, then also you can say that you are already awakened. That means your mind is super active now. It is actually your intuition is actually very high, and it is actually showing you your future. That means you can actually easily track yourself whether which way you should go or not. If such kind of things are happening, then also you can say that you are already awakened. And the seventh sign is my favorite one, because all of a sudden you feel like you are more fearless, you are very positive, you are very inspired for yourself, you are feeling like so much motivated what you are doing. And you even though there are some challenges in your life, even though there are so many fearful things are happening in your life, you still have the courage to face that challenge. You still have that faith that everything is going to be fine. If such kind of confidence level is already have burned inside you, then you can say that you are already spiritually awakened. Eighth one is like you will have more knowledge about human life, human psychology, and you will have knowledge about actually spirituality. In my case, I was very much interested into learning how to manifest a better life, how to manifest dream life, all those things. So I see also many people who are actually spiritually awakened, they have this idea of manifestation and the human psychology, how it works, how the leaders in the world actually growing, how they are actually overcoming challenges. All these knowledges, if you have already or you are seeking for it, then also you can say that you are already on spiritual awakening journey, or you are already awakened. Last not but the least, and the ninth sign is you will actually feel like you have a mission or purpose on this planet Earth. You want to live like a life which has some meaning. You want to give away something from your side, like you want to leave a footprint of yourself in this world. If such kind of intention is increasing in your mindset, then also you can say that you are already on spiritually awakening journey, or you are already awakened. So these are the 9 signs I have already revealed in this video. If you find some informative from this video, then please make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell button for our upcoming videos, which will bring you more and more knowledge about spirituality, manifestation and mindset transformation. And also, as I already asked you, that if you have any questions you can ask me. And as you know, this is the last video of this year 2023. This year has gone very beautifully, very wonderfully, and I hope in 2024 I'm going to bring you more and more knowledge about insights about spirituality, spiritual world, manifestation and law of attraction, mindset transformation. Then make sure that you are subscribing my channel, and see you on our next video on 2024 January month. Till then, see you and wish you all a happy new year. Namo Himalaya.